Hey,
Yeah, I wanted to see to fix the screen on the
which one is that?
11.
The 11?
Or the front screen.
Are you the one that called?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is it the regular 11?
Yeah, I think so.
It looks bad, man.
It's horrible.
It's okay, I've seen worse, man.
I have the back broken too, but
Oh, yeah?
I'm just kind of. How much would the back be too?
The back is 89, but the back takes about an hour and a half.
I'll do the front for now.
This takes 20 minutes. Yeah, it looks like you just need a screen, man. Give me 20 minutes.
All right.
Okay? Let's fix this one real quick. There we go. Now this one for the tape. This one for the... I like doing quick repairs. The screens, I mean, some of the phones are easy, so 20 minutes after it'll be ready. So right here again, you see, I mean, how fast it is. I mean, all we have to do is just remove screws, replace the screen, and you're good. Just make sure you don't lose the screws.